could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side.
This video will be a review and brief unboxing for the hard drive for our new builds called Scarlet Wolf, and there will be a link to this part down below as well. So we've used this WD 1TB Blue quite a bit. It continues to be the cheapest and most highly rated casual use 1TB drive on the market. There might be a cheaper drive, but it probably is only cheaper by a few dollars, and I am sure that it's not as well rated. So keep going and buying it because it's just that good. So it's a 1TB Blue. Blue is the casual use or the everyday drive. It's not a black or a green. A black is more for performance, a green is more for eco-friendly, gold is for data center, and I think there's a purple for surveillance. Anyway, this is a blue, this is for casual, so pretty normal drive. Not much to it. This is about, let's see, the SSD for this build was about 80 bucks and a 250 gig. This hard drive is a 1TB. This was $50. A little bit cheaper, a lot more storage, not as fast, but that's kind of how we do it. You have your SSD for your boot, some of your programs and your drivers and whatnot, and your hard drive is for all of your games and videos and photos and documents and really big things. Or you can go with a bunch of hard drives, or you can go with a bunch of SSDs, but we're not going to get into all that right now. Yeah, that's about it. I don't really have a lot to say about this drive. It's a really good drive, and I would keep buying it as long as it's on the market. As always, if you like watching this video, I'm really glad. Let me know what I'm doing good and what I can improve on. Leave a comment down below if you like watching our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see y'all in the next video.